Hello, today we're going to take the weight measure of the Zebra ZQ310 Plus 2-inch printer, which I now have in my hand. We're going to take 3 weight measures for this small mobile printer. We will take its weight as a total printer, which is a printer and its battery, and then we will take its net weight without the battery, and lastly, we will take the weight of the battery itself. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the weight of the total printer, which is the printer plus the battery. As you can see, the weight of the Zebra ZQ310 Plus 2-inch printer is 12.6 ounce. Now let's see what its equivalent in grams are. So the ZQ310 Plus from Zebra is a mobile printer that weighs 355 grams. Now, let's take it apart and measure it separately. I'm removing the battery. So here on my right hand is the battery, and here on my left hand is the printer without the battery. Let's see how much it weighs without the battery. As you can see, without the battery, the Zebra ZQ310 Plus weighs 265 grams. Let's see how much it weighs in ounces. So without the battery, the Zebra ZQ310 Plus is 9.2 ounce. Now let's take the weight of the battery itself. The battery is not very heavy at all. It's a 2280 milliamp hour battery, and it weighs 3.2 ounce, or the equivalent of 90 grams only. So now you have it. You have the 3 important weights for you to consider the Zebra ZQ310 Plus 2-inch mobile printer. You have the weight of the printer without the battery, you have the weight of the battery, and you have the total weight of the printer together with the battery. So now you have it. That's a very important measurement, and you can find that the ZQ310 Plus is a lightweight mobile printer that will serve all your needs. Thank you.